Hi everyone, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Minecraft crashing or not responding, using a few simple methods that actually work. Step 1. Go to the search bar and type Minecraft. Choose either Minecraft Launcher or Minecraft Java Edition, depending on which one you're using. Step 2. Right-click on the app and select App Settings. Scroll down, click Terminate to stop the app, then hit Repair. Once that's done, click Reset, confirm it, and wait for the process to complete. Step 3. If that doesn't work, go back to the search bar and type Graphics Settings. Click on it to open the System Graphics panel. Step 4. Make sure Optimizations for windowed games is turned on. Then look under Advanced Graphics Settings and enable Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. Step 5. Scroll down and click Browse or Add Microsoft Store app. Find your Minecraft version, select it, then click Options and set GPU preference to High Performance. Restart your computer after this step. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful tech tutorials.